There's nowhere in any Gaudiya Grantha that says by chanting 64 rounds a day you get siddhi. Nowhere. There's nowhere said. You can't find any shlok. You read Chaitanya Bhagavat and you read Chaitanya Charitamrita, Chaitanya Mangala. I give class every verse of Chaitanya Bhagavat. Every single verse I give class. And so many have no commentary. I gave commentary by the Bengali word for word. It's all there on the internet. And Chaitanya Charitamrita. And this whole idea, and even I have posts about 64 rounds. It's not a magic formula. There's nowhere. Because when Lord Chaitanya is teaching about, he said, when he uses the word siddhi, he's only talking about taking nam. By chanting nam, you'll get perfection. This is the Yuga Dharma for Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga, Yuga Dharma, Namara Prachara, Tati Lagi, Pitavarna, Chaitanya Avatar. Krishna's taken this Pitavarna, Gauranga Avatar, to teach the Kali Yuga Dharma. Nam. Only the 64 number only comes up because when he's giving this discussion, when he's speaking in the Chaitanya Bhagavat, it's in Navadvip to all the classes of devotees. Mahaprabhu is speaking about Nam. He said, you will attain perfection by chanting Nam. He doesn't say 64 rounds.